up, everybody? Jake Snake here. Video on Jake Snake, not Jake Snake Vlogs. Is on my first channel. You can check my subscribe because we have 21 video that was just made like 2 minutes before this video. So today we're gonna test shot with my Cycleloneshock here to make sure it's loaded. Where are we gonna shoot from? We're gonna try to shoot through that door where it's aimed, through the door. Can't show the ID of the car, remember that. Ow, stepped on a rock, no shoes on. Okay, let's see how far it goes. Ready? Bam! Okay. Hang on. Oops. That bullet fell off. Had to reload the gun. And I couldn't do it with one hand, so I had to put you on the ground. Ready? Go. Okay, that landed right on the blue chair. Okay, reloading. That's not so bad. Okay, now we took 2 bullet shots. One more, then we're doing angled. Oops. Sometimes it doesn't do that shooting thing. It sucks. Okay, ready? Bam. Okay. That landed underneath the chair. Now we're going to do some angled shots where it's pointing like that. Or maybe that, I'm not sure, like that. Okay, ready? Bam! Okay, that landed a little on the left and in front of the chair. Reloading. Okay. Yep, I'm ready. Angled shot number 3, or 2. That, I hit something accidentally. Sorry. Last angled shot. Okay, that one kind of sucked, but a little better. Now let's go. So, put my gun aside. That was the worst one. That was the second worst one. And these are all the good ones over here. So, going on the chair, as you can see, going below, going over there, that one. I don't know where the final one went though, or, the other one. I'll look for it. Just make sure to subscribe, leave a like on the video for more content, and subscribers tell how good that gun is. Subscribe if it sucks, like a 1 out or a 0 out of 10. Subscribe if it's like a mad, like a 5 or 6 out of 10. And also subscribe if it's a really good gun, and it fires very far, and it's like a 9 or 10 out of 10. So make sure to subscribe and leave a like on the video for all of those ranges. Bye, subscribers.